Sunday. So how are we all? How are we all getting on with the hydration challenge? I've made a pact to myself. I am keeping a glass of water. I've got a massive bottle, but what I'm doing when I'm at home, I'm filling a glass of water up and I like to add some fruit. So I got some lime this morning and some ice. It's always nice having ice in water, isn't it? I'm always keeping that with me. So one thing to do this morning, guys, up the hydration. So guys, this morning then we're going to talk all about baked oats. Now, I don't know if I'm late from the party. I have cooked them before a couple of years ago, but oh my gosh, they are amazing. They're very simple, they're low in SmartPoints, they're portable. The flavours, oh my gosh, there is so many, isn't there? It's an endless list, isn't there, of variations that we can make with baked oats. Different ways to enjoy them as well. So I'm excited to show you some that I made earlier at the end. So I always used to think when it came to oats, there was a waste of SmartPoints. I don't know why, because they're not that high. And I used to, like on Purple, they're free as well. But I don't know why, I always used to think when it came to oats that, oh, I don't want to waste my SmartPoints. But after searching for mango on the app a couple of months ago, and I came out with the overnight oats, and check that out, guys, it's on demand. I did a live all on overnight oats and I shared my love for mango and the recipe which I found. And oh, it's such a delight, brilliant. Another thing, overnight oats. So when I had a little nose and I typed in oats, I came up with all these recipes on the WW app, all for baked oats. So I dived a bit deeper and here we are, I had to share with you. So the great thing is, guys, high in fibre, high in protein, these goodies keep us feeling fuller for longer, which is what we're all about. That can help us in our weight loss journey. No added sugar in oats, you can eat them hot and cold, versatile. We can tweak them. Some of you saying you're not a fan. Hopefully by the end, as I said, we can tweak them and make you enjoy them just as much as I am. This week's technique, guys, is all about building our confidence in the kitchen. And this is so key in the sense of we can mix recipes up. We can add different ingredients, things that we enjoy, so we can mix them up. And as I said, so versatile, and the list is endless that we can do with these baked oats. And they're easy and they're cheap. So what more do we want, isn't it, but a recipe? So filling and healthy. Some of you may ask, can we freeze them? Yes, you can batch cook them like I have this morning, and we can freeze them. So always convenient food then. They're easy, take them to the gym, to work, on a night shift. Oh, so enjoyable at 2 a.m. in the morning to bite into that baked oats. Delicious, keeps us feeling fuller as well. So let's dive in. Ingredient wise then, guys. This serves 4 people. And these are the coconut and blueberry baked oats. However, which is touching on this week's technique, I couldn't get any coconut flakes yesterday, and hunting it in the shop I normally get them in, can you believe it? They were soaked out. So I have changed it to banana. So just goes to show how easy we can mix it up. It's having that confidence, isn't it, to try new ingredients. So we've got 120 grams of oats. So just your plain, simple, really cheap, get them anywhere, oats. Brilliant, all measured out. Then I've got my Greek yogurt, which is fat-free. And that's 375 grams, and I've measured it all out. Then we've got our eggs, which I've cracked for convenience, ready. We've got our coconut. Do you know the smell of that? It's mad, it amazes me. I don't like Bounties, but I love the smell of that. It reminds me of when I was a child, when you used to have those cakes, the jam cakes with coconut sprinkled on top. Can anyone remember those? I remember having them when I was a child. Then we have blueberries, so that is 200 grams. And like we touched on this week on the mocktails live, that you can have tin fruit, frozen fruit, fresh fruit. They all work out absolutely fine. And what I find is frozen fruit's really good for baked oats, but I've got fresh blueberries. And then we would normally have the coconut flakes, which would be 10 grams. However, I have got my banana instead. So I've taken away 1 SmartPoint on blue, just because I haven't got those coconut flakes. Remember, you can amend any recipe in the app. Just go to edit and you can add on your ingredient or take away the ingredients which you aren't using. So I took away the coconut flakes, which leaves me with 6 SmartPoints now on blue. So I said, this is 10 SmartPoints on purple. No, sorry, 10 SmartPoints on green. This is 7 SmartPoints on blue and 4 SmartPoints on purple, because obviously the oats are 0 on purple. So I've got all my goodies here, all my ingredients, and also the honey. So the drizzle of honey is just for topping, so you can mix that up. If you want to save on SmartPoints, use a little bit of sweetener. You know, we've got the low-calorie syrups you can get as well. So that is just the drizzle afterwards. So let's dive in. So this is how easy it is. I'm just going to put all my ingredients into a bowl. So there's the oats going in. We've got the yogurt. So the yogurt's going in. I love Greek yogurt. I could just eat a bowl of that plain. Lovely. High protein. Then we've got coconut. Blueberries. You can mash these up if you want, but they work very well if you just leave them cool. Nice bit of colour as well. And then we've got the eggs going in. Simple. Now all we're going to do is mix it up. So the thing is with this, you could mix any kind of fruit, couldn't you? As I said, I love mango. Rather than the blueberries, you can mix in mango, any chosen fruit. You can make it plain if you want with just the yogurt, egg and oats and add the topping later on. As I said, it's what you want, what you make it your own. There's so many recipes, but mix it up as you wish. If you want to lower SmartPoints, leave certain things out. You can add, think of all the different toppings we can have, guys. There's so many. You can add some chocolate, some peanut butter. There's so much nuts, sultanas. Good thing is, well, eat them when they're fresh out of the oven or later on when they're cooler. That's what I do when I take them to work. Add different kind of berries. You could make it savoury. You can add cheese and onion. That's a good. Guys, this is how simple it is. I've mixed it all together. Come on, guys, easy peasy, isn't it? Simple, simple, simple. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm just going to empty it into my little oven-proof dish. Remember, everything needs to be oven-proof because they need to go into the oven. And then pop your oven on 200 degrees. So I'm just going to mix that all in. Easy peasy. So what you would do now if you had the coconut flakes, you simply dry fry them in a frying pan, dry fry them just for them to go a little bit golden. It'll only take a couple of minutes and that's how you get your coconut flakes and therefore sprinkling on once this is baked. However, if you want to put any topping on here now, so what I would do now is chop up some banana and just lay the banana on top. That works really well, but that is it. You put that in the oven now, 25 minutes. Keep an eye, make sure it's not burning. Lower the heat down if you need to. So I'm just going to show you one I made earlier. And you know what? I am so impressed. These are the best batch I've ever made. Look at this. So that's what it comes out like. And the blueberry, oh my gosh, some of them just burst and they go through the mixture and it looks so nice. But look at that with the banana on top. So what I would do now with this recipe with the coconut and blueberry is sprinkle on the coconut flakes and then drizzle on the honey and that is it. And it's ready to serve then. So look at that. And I'm just going to show with you some. You can use like these little molds. These are the WW little cupcake silicone molds you can get online on the WW shop. And look at these. This just goes to show. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to be dying to bite into one of these for my breakfast this morning, but I thought I'd save them to show you. My kitchen smells amazing. Look at that, all the blueberry through there. So you can imagine if you made that with chocolate chip, imagine all the chocolate which would be coming through there. Another thing then, look at these donuts. Exactly the same mixture. And that is half a serving there. I said, the recipe serves 4. So that's a lot, isn't it? So you can batch cook them. As I said, you can put them in your freezer. So how I created these is with these molds. So this is the donut one, just a silicone mold. And then I've also got the waffle one. So I was quite impressed with this as well. Look at that. How cool is that? So you could put some yogurt on top of there. You could load it with fruit, honey, nuts, whatever. But how filling, nutritious. Look at that. So lovely. What a treat, isn't it? But low in SmartPoints. Andrea, so the coconut and blueberry in SmartPoints is 10 on green, 7 on blue and 4 on purple, but you can lower that by taking away the honey if you want, taking away some of the coconut, using sweeteners. It's all about that confidence, isn't it? And mixing your ingredients up and trying new recipes. As I said, mix it up, guys. Give it a go. Let me know if anyone tries savoury ones, cheese and onion with it. Imagine the little muffins by here now with cheese and onion. And basil. Gosh, it's endless, isn't it? Tomato and basil. I just really want to give it a go with chocolate chips, if I'm honest. Got some of the sprinkles here. And you've got some of the chocolate syrups. As I said, maybe mash up a banana and have banana going all the way through it. The list is completely endless, isn't it? Well, thank you so much for joining in. Look how quick and easy it is. Bake for 25 minutes and enjoy. I'm definitely going to enjoy. I don't know which ones to have and which ones to share with Rich, my husband. I think I might have to have the donut ones because look how cool they are. Remember, keep up the hydration challenge. Please, please, please share with me your baked oats, how they come out, how they look. The blueberry makes them look amazing. Take care. Bye.